down, no this, no scooter, no drinks. No, this, no drinks. What is it called?
Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we went to a small park, it's near to very home, but that is really very beautiful. It is completely a walking trail and a small waterfall also. They have clearly mentioned in which year that was built and what is the purpose behind building it. So please watch it. Thank you. Spending time in nature, taking some breathe air, spending at water places is good for the body. So I just take small trips every time when I get some time along with my family and with my daughter to explore the nature things and to live a life, normal life, and keep to keep free from the electronic devices like a mobile and TV, and to show and to explain what is happening in the nature. So making some time for to go out in the nature, it's like really teaching them what is it, in and about in the our surroundings. So we went there, we explained about a small walking bridge which is made of wood and the steps which are made of wood and the small big pipe which is made for the water like a uh, home pipeline. So that is really nice time. We were there just about 10 to 15 minutes, but it's really useful. Thank you so much once again.